and Short Stack just would have taken care of OSG in the first place like we asked them to, either at Extreme Rumble 4 or at 4th of July Classic, then we wouldn't be in this predicament. But no, OSG has to somehow prevail. And I know it can't be OSG. He's not good enough. He's not an Austen G. He's not an Alex G, and it's because of that giant Jynx Master and because of Short Stack Marcus Max.
I blame Jynx and Short Stack too. And listen to the sound of my voice. I'm sick. I'm coughing. I'm vomiting all over the place. And you know why, Austen G? It's because old school Giddens had my head in the damn Somerset laundromat toilet. Oh. I'm still sick, Austen G. And I do blame Jynx. And I do blame Marcus Max. Because if it wasn't for them two, OSG would be no more. But they're just like Wicked J. They're juggalos. They're mindless. They're idiots. And they can't get jobs done. So we're gonna have to get it done, Austen G, at the Deathmatch, a night of stipulations, the Bloodline versus Jynx, Masta, and Short Stack in a tag team staple gun match. And that Stipulations. Oh! Shorts! Shorts! Oh! Get up. Oh, you like that, Austen? Get up. Huh? Look at me. Come on. Huh?
Talking all that shit. A death match where we accept. Staple gun tag team match, we accept. Don't even know what they did. Talking all that shit now, huh? Let's go.